Hello, my dear viewers. This is the Dukas Copy Academy, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is 5th of July 2024. The day is Friday. It's last trading day of the first week. I'm your host here. My name is Rakesh, and I'm a Dukas Copy is a member of the community. Please do not confuse me as an employee of Dukas Copy Bank. I'm not their employee. I'm just a technical analyst who is using their YouTube platform to showcase the own analysis about the markets. It has nothing to do with the Dukas Copy research team. Therefore, all the views or the trading ideas that I'm going to discuss here, they are of my own. And also as a technical analyst, I know that every piece of information is already priced onto the chart. So we will follow the charts only for our analysis purpose. In this particular program, we will be using the candlestick type of charts to determine the key levels for all the pairs and see how we can use those key levels to our advantage in the trading. At the end of the session, I'll be answering the questions from the viewers or taking the suggestions or some requests that to trade or to analyze live markets in front of you. If you have any request or suggestion like that, you can put them in the chat box that is live right now. I will be taking it from the chats. Before I start the session, everything that I say in this live stream is only for information or knowledge. Please do your own research before you put your hard-earned money on the line in the real markets. Also, before we begin, I must take you through the standard risk disclaimer because there is certain risk that is associated when you trade on margin, and the Forex is mostly traded on margin. Please understand the underlying risks, understand all these four paragraphs, digest it, and then only move on to the charts. You can pause the video here if you want. All right. Like always, first things first. On your charts right now, you can see the daily chart of the US dollar index. I think we have already discussed this in the entire week when we saw the market structure shift here, that the price will be going lower now in the direction of 104.21. That is what my expectation is. If the price starts going down, then it will go at least 104.21, which is the previous low. Now, if the price trades below this, we have already said that the price will go to 103.85. Below that, it will go to lower prices, but right now we will be only marking these two levels. For some reason, if the price starts going higher from here, then we'll be expecting resistance at 105.77. This level is not a resistance. This is a broken support. This may act as a resistance, but the ultimate resistance is 105.77 from the market structure point of view, of course. Okay, we were anticipating pullback in the pound, but no, it is not stopping on the way to 1.2860. I think the targets will be taken next week, but if there would have been a pullback, it would be a better thing. I think 1.2702 is a very good price to go long in this market. Next week, if you get an opportunity, I think that will be worth taking. If you get an opportunity to go long around 1.2702 area with a target of 1.2860. Euro on the similar sides, it has also denied an entry to the buyers again. It did not pull back to this area after breakout and is very close to the first target of 1.0852. Now, any rise above that will open up the way for 1.0916, and any fall should be seen as a buying opportunity. If before testing this level, if the price falls, you can take a buy around 1.0750 area. Australian dollar, yesterday, day before yesterday, and day before that, we have discussed that Australian dollar is something that we are bullish at. It has taken all the liquidity above. Now the area between 0.6714 here and the area between 0.6871, this is clean. There is no resistance whatsoever on the way up. So I think Australian dollar should make a run from here in a very fast fast way. Now if that happens, then of course GBP, AUD and everything should come down to the recent swing high. Now if the price breaks above 0.6145, then it will open up the way for 0.6222, which is also a very clean run towards that. But on the contrary, if the price behaves in the structured manner where the market structure is down, it may go down. No, market structure is shifted, so it will go down but will be bought back immediately to the target of 0.6222. Sorry for changing now. So yes, this is what was expected. We were expecting actually the buys to hold from here, but since I said that if the US dollar keeps dipping, then there is no point that USD CHF will keep going up. No, yes, there is a market structure shift. At lower levels you may get a buying opportunity, but right now it is getting sold off. So minimum level is this. Now I think this is what you should be looking at. Why this? Because this is the high that the price made uh, on the way up. Sorry, this is the highest low that the price made. Is the opening of the high. So this is an order block when the price is coming. What I'm doing, down close candle when the price is going up and up close candle when the price is going down. So that is a resistance or support. So it is going down, so the price has to be down close candle and the open of that candle. Okay, 0.8947 area should be a support for the price. USD CHF is gone, USD CAD. So right on the support area of 1.3603, it seems like it is taking support here. It has also taken support multiple times here in the past. So yes, there was a reaction possible here, and that is happening, trying to give us a bullish engulfing at the support. This is indicating that the higher prices are possible, but because of the bearish nature of the US dollar across the board, I am expecting the price to fall further from here. Let's see how the things unfold. Resistance is 1.3756 and the support is 1.3603 in this market. In dollar against the yen, this is hourly, and on hourly we expected a resistance over, if you remember. Okay, now it cannot be better than this, guys. So okay, this is what the price action is doing now. 160.86 is the price. We are expecting actually 158.74 in this market on the downside. This is a support level. The resistance is the highest high here. So you can keep these two levels on your charts, and if the price breaks above 161.94, you can look for the buying opportunities, which I will not recommend because the price is always at a very oversold, sorry, overbought area. And if it closes below 158.74, yes, you can look for selling opportunities then. New Zealand CAD, I think yesterday only we had given this hint that there is a higher probability of the price is going higher towards 0.8387. Now that has happened, a breakout has occurred. 0.8387 is exposed in this market. If the price starts going down, then this will be a support level of 0.8291. Simple, guys, no big mathematics. Bitcoin, did we say that the prices are going lower? Yes. Is it going to close lower? We are not sure. If it closes lower than 56,564, it will start acting as a resistance. If it closes higher than this, then it will be a buying opportunity for the bulls to go long with the previous highs as the targets. Okay. In that case, this range will be maintained. But yes, I'm expecting a close below 56,564 with the target of 55.78. Let's see how the things unfold. Now the resistance is 59,957 and the support is 55.78. Brent, we are looking for the selling opportunities, but the price is going higher and higher and higher. So to what extent it can go, we are not sure. But right now it looks like it is giving us a bearish engulfing. Sorry, not bearish engulfing, bearish pin bar on the daily candle. And this is somewhat, interesting when the price has hit the order block and there is a bearish structure. So you want to switch on the 1 hour and see, is it really selling off? If yes, if the crude oil is selling off, we are into it. We want to go short and look for the selling opportunity. So how you can do that? How you can do that? So the market structure on the hourly has not shifted yet. Once it does, then we look for the selling opportunity. Right now, no. Gold is making higher highs here. Gold did rose to a lot. Gold was good today. So after breakout, there was a indecision bar, and there is a breakout now. So the next resistance here is 2450 for the gold. A strong close above 2388 will open up the way for 2450. Guys, it is so simple to trade the markets these days. If you are not making money, I think it's very difficult for you to make money in the other markets then. This is also tested the highest high. I'll say the price has made 41,122 and the highest high is 41,138. Little shy of the highest high. And I think this is also good for the Nikkei. It is having high volumes overbought. So this is where we spotted it. You remember 37,946, and we said that now is the time to buy. Boom, 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 boom. 41,138. Looking very good. Green with the higher volume close will open up the way for the higher prices. But I'm strongly feeling that the price should come back towards 39,956 area to give us another opportunity, to give another opportunity to everybody to go long in this market, so that there can be a good breakout at 41,138 level. Euro JPY, that's why I did not want to trade this. So I will say do not trade this market. It is going nowhere for some time. GBP AUD, we want to go down in this one because the pound may be strong, but the Australian dollar is so strong. So expect lower prices in this one. 1.8889 is the first target, and the second target being 1.8586. CHF JPY, hodgepodge, or I will say noisy run. So I'm not interested in this one. And Australian dollar against the New Zealand, I am buyer in this one, but it has already met an order block and the resistance level. So there may be some pullback towards 1.0907 before we can see a rise further towards 1.1041. We are bullish on this market in the monthly and the weekly. So I'm expecting higher prices only. But yes, we can pull back towards 1.0907 before we see a move higher. That's all, guys, from my side. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me that in the chat box. I'll be very happy to answer your questions. All right, guys, I hope you know about the support and the resistance levels that were of interest in the coming hours and days. You can plot them for your next week. And just remember, please risk less than 1% of your entire capital on any single trade and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you're going to take. Now, with this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section. And possible, please consider subscribing to the channel for more such webinars. Have a good day. Thank you very much for watching. See you on Monday. Bye bye. Take care.